it's going. Out on a little joyride, currently up north, and I thought I'd bring it with me. I got the 360 cam set up on the back as well as POV. Also, just for all the newcomers out there, you are currently in a SRT8 Challenger 2010, and it is built motor, built transmission, all the works basically, and it has a rear mount turbo system on it, 88mm to be exact. So made about 850 to the wheels on pump gas. That's I was pretty well maxed out at that point. Knock sensors started to go a little haywire. I would have had to move over to E85 if I wanted to keep going, but unfortunately in Canada it's a little hard to run E85, obviously because of the weather change and whatnot. Word on the street is E85 does not like the cold, like really, really cold. I don't know if that's true or not, but that's what they say. So better to not find out the hard way. Anyway, I hope you guys are enjoying all these videos. I know I am. Lots of fun going out this, you know, doing these things. It's just basically my hobby, my passion for anything with a motor, and I'm just sharing it with you guys. So, and I hope the Instant 360 cam doesn't shut off on me again while I'm driving. I'm pretty sure in one of the last videos that's what happened. So, whatever. You know what? At least you got a POV out of it, right? Still pretty cool. Maybe he's trying to tell everybody that he's Batman. Maybe. Alright, I don't want to take this turn too fast. We're going to knock that camera around on the back. Fun, fun, fun. Those Ford exploders there. You don't know if you don't know if it's a cop or not. let up and slow down. Seriously. Like seriously. But now he's speeding up again. Should just went straight to 9. Oh, just sorry for people that aren't from here. 9 is right here.
Incoming call.
Oh.
Press Uconnect phone button to answer.
Hold please. Alright, I'm back. Work call. Ran into a couple of little issues at work there at the site. It doesn't matter. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna end this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.